So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my September Boxy Charm. I'm excited. I've got the BoxyLuxe box this month. This is a $50 box. So if you get the regular box, it is $21 plus some tax, and this one is a $50 charge. So you end up getting 9 products in mine, and my box is box 18L this month. This month's box is called All Access, and as you can tell, I don't have any makeup on or anything because I just got off of work. I'm not feeling that great. I took off my makeup and I wanted to film this box with you guys. So let's see what's in the box this month. So the first thing that's in the box is something that I did choose to get. It's the Clean Skin Club Fruit Infused Water Bottle. It's a 1 liter water bottle. I'm really excited to get this. I know a lot of people were not wanting to get this bottle, but I love water bottles. I drink a ton of water every single day, and so when I seen this, I was really excited about it because you can put fruit here in the middle. I hope you guys can see that little compartment there, and then it infuses your water with the essence of like fruit or lemon or oranges, whatever you want. It is a pretty big bottle. It is 32 ounces, which is really nice. That's a good amount of water to drink throughout the day. This little container is a $17.95 value, and I'm excited to get it. I know, like I said, a lot of people didn't want it, but I actually chose to get it, and so I'm happy that they did send this to me in my box this month. All right, so the next thing I got in the box is from IGK, and it is a Hydro Hair Balm, and it looks like this. This is a $29 value. It's a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. I normally don't wear a lot of leave-in conditioners, but I'm definitely willing to give this one a try just to see how well it does, especially when the winter months come around. Your hair gets a little bit more drier, especially here where I live. It's super windy, super snowy, and there's just a lot of non-moisture in the air. So this is going to be exciting to give it a try and see how this works out. The next thing I have in the box is from Moda. It is the Moda Studio 8-piece brush set, and you get 8 pieces of brushes. I'm excited to get this. This is something that I did choose to get in my box as well, which I'm happy that I got this because I love to get new brushes. I'm always switching out my brushes. If you're anything like I am, you are always switching out your brushes and always have dirty ones. So it's always nice to have a couple of them just on hand to be able to switch out. So you get 8 of them. Looks like you get 2 face brushes here that seems super soft. And then you end up getting the rest of them look like actual eye brushes and stuff. So I'm excited to get these. I like Moda brushes. I've had a couple of them that I use and rotate out of my daily makeup use. So again, something that I chose to get, and I'm very excited that I did get this in my box. This one is a $69.99 value. Again, I'm super excited that I chose this and that they did send it to me this month. Right, the next thing that I have in here is from Sunday Riley. It's the Brightening Water Cleanser. This is a $65 value, an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into the next generation water cream. So this is a water cream. This is a lightweight cream. I've actually had this in a tester size and I did use it up. I didn't see much results from it, but I only had like the small little tester size and it didn't have very much in it. So I am really excited to give this a try and see if it adds moisture to my face. Even though I do have oily skin, I still like to put moisturizing type of stuff on my face just to help it out, because y'all know as we get older, you get more wrinkles and you need more moisture to your face. So I'm always excited for that, especially now that winter's coming and there's just no moisture in the air here in Wyoming where I live. The next thing I have here is from Hank & Henry, and it is the Blackety Black eyeliner. It is a $20 value, and it looks like just a regular black eyeliner. It has like a little ball in there to shake it up. I'm excited to give this a try. It says it is perfect for those with hooded eyes. So I'm excited to see what that means. I'm hoping this has a really nice pen to it. I don't want to open it up just yet, just because I don't want it to dry out, and I do have a few other eyeliners that I'm working through right now. But when I do give this one a try, I will let you guys know how it worked if you didn't pick it up or didn't get it. That is a $20 value, so it is a very high priced eyeliner. I'm hoping that it works really, really well. The next thing I have is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Hydro Botonic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is a $52 value. It is a sleeping mask. It locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and smooths the signs of irritation. So we always get a lot of Dr. Brandt stuff in these boxes. I use some of it and some of it I give away. This might be one that I do try. I do have a little bit of redness on my cheeks, and I do get some irritation in my face occasionally, just because I do get a lot of breakouts on my face, so hopefully this works out for me. We'll see how it works. If it works out, I'll let you know down in the description. I haven't tried it out yet, but I will definitely give it a try. All right, the next thing I have is from Stila. It's a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. This is a $22 value. I've got the color Patina Shimmer. It is a $22 value. Let's see what it looks like. So that's a really pretty color. It's like a pinky mauve color. This is something that I would definitely wear. I'm not too excited about the shimmer of it, but I can get used to it, I think. So this is one that I may actually use and see how it works out. This is a really pretty color, and so I'm excited to actually try this one. The next thing I have is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Play Clay Face Shaping Palette. This is a $42 value. I already have this one right here. It's right on my makeup desk. Let me go ahead and show it to you here. I'm not going to open that one, but this one I use every single day. I'm sure you can see it's well used there. I normally use these two a lot, and then I use the eye stuff a lot. This is a great palette. I actually gave this away in a giveaway a couple years ago to somebody because I loved this palette so much. And like I said, I use it every single day to contour. This is a really, really great palette if you have to do something in a really big rush. It just has some really nice neutrals that you can just get a really good just contour on your eyes and on your face. And I love, love, love this palette. I'm excited to get a second one, but I know that I'm not gonna ever go through this one quick enough to use this one. So this one may go to a friend, a family member, or I might just put it in a giveaway that's coming up. I have one more item that I got, and it is from Spongelina, a mini pad treatment set. So it is a Salt Rose mini pad treatment set. It is the perfect treatment for your dry hands and your feet. Well, that's very interesting. So this is a hand and feet treatment. Let me see if I can get it open here. Okay, so you get two different sponges. You get one for your hands and one for your feet. So I did get one of these a couple of months ago. It was that big star one. I didn't use it. I actually put it in a box for a friend that is doing a benefit dinner. So me and my sister-in-law put together a few different baskets. I'll put a picture up for you guys so you can see them. A friend of ours has cancer and they're doing a benefit dinner. So we took a lot of our makeup that we never opened and a lot of skincare, and we made some gift baskets and we gave them to them so that they can hopefully get some charity money for the family that is going through the cancer issues right now. So this is one that I will definitely give a try and see how it works out. This is an $18 value, and I'm excited to give this a try and see how it works out. So that was everything that I got in my September BoxyLuxe box. I think it's a great box. I'm excited to get some of this stuff and try it out. I love the skincare that comes in it. This palette that I got is a great palette. Like I said, I already have it, so I won't be opening this one, but somebody will get some great use out of it. So I'll go ahead and put the amount of my box down here. You can see how much the box added up to this month. Let me know what you guys got in your box. I know everybody got some different stuff, and I'm excited to continue to watch everybody's unboxings as they come up. Let me know if you guys have any questions about Boxy Charm. It's always in the description down below. If you have any questions or if you want to order Boxy Charm, just remember that that Boxy Charm link down there is a link that gives me Boxy points. So if you don't want to do that, just go ahead on the Boxy Charm website and order from there. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you later.